Hi, my name's Linda from Australia, and I've got this great Froothie Evolve machine here, and I've been trying it out the last few months and I have saved a lot of money. I found making my own almond milk. I'm oil free with what I eat, so this way of making almond milk, I know what's in it. So it's just almonds, 1 teaspoon of these Lecithin granules, which helps bind the oils and the water together so they don't separate. So I'm going to give you a little demo of how I do my almond milk. Hope you enjoy. All of this out of 1 cup of almonds. You've got the almond milk, you've got 1 litre of that, and then you've got this leftover almond meal, and you can freeze it until you're ready. So it's best to consume this within 3 to 4 days after bottling, because there's no preservatives in it. It's just almond milk, almonds, water, lecithin, that's it.